Good morning to all of you. Today, the third evaluation examination is started in Trilochan Anchalik ME School. Students of class 8 are giving their first examination, first paper today. Today is English examination. Aji chhatra chhatri hokol class 8 or chhatra chhatri hokole examination di ase English paper tehator prothom examination aji. Moi আশা কৰিছোঁ যে সকলো ক্লাছ 8 ল'ৰা ছোৱালী এই ইংলিছৰ এক্সামিনেশ্যনটো ভালদৰে দিব মোৰে সাবজেক্ট ইয়াৰে পাছত এক্সামিনেশ্যন ঠিক শেষ হোৱাৰ পাছত মই ভাইবা ভোজৰ এক্সামিনেশ্যনো ল'ম আপোনালোকক দেখুৱাম কেইটামান ল'ৰা ছোৱালীৰ যোনটো মই ভাইবা ভোজ লৈছোঁ এই ভিডিঅ'খন মই আপোনালোকক দেখাম সকলো ল'ৰা ছোৱালী ব্যস্ত আছে নিজৰ এক্সামিনেশ্যনত আৰু ইয়াৰে পাছত মই এই ভাইবা ভোজৰ এক্সামিনেশ্যনটো মই পাতিম 1 ঘণ্টা এক্সামিনেশ্যনৰ পাছত ৰিটেন এক্সামিনেশ্যনৰ পাছত মই অৰেল টেষ্টটো ল'ম তো এই হ'ল আমাৰ অৰেল টেষ্টৰ এক্সামিনেশ্যন What is your name?
My name is Nirmal Vishwas.
What is your father's name?
My father's name is Nokul Vishwas.
What is your mother's name?
My mother name is Kulmala Vishwas.
What is your roll number?
My roll number 1.
Your roll number is 1.
1.
And what is your brother's name?
I have no brother.
Good. What is your sister's name?
Sumitra Vishwas, sister, and Suchitra Vishwas, little sister.
What is the name of your school?
My school name is Trilochan Anchalik ME School.
What is the name of your headmaster?
My headmaster name is Gajendranath Sarkar.
What is the name of your science teacher?
My science teacher is Mr. Bipul Meli.
What is the name of your Hindi teacher?
My Hindi teacher Mr. Sanu Thapa.
What is the name of your village?
My village name is Trilochan.
What is the name of your post office?
My post office Samaria.
What is the name? What is the pin code of Samaria?
781136.
What is the name of your district?
Kamrup Rural.
What is the name of your state?
Assam.
What is your favorite food?
Fish and salmon.
Very good. All the answers are correct. God bless you. Go. Okay.
My name is Sandana Baroy.
What is your father's name?
My father's name is Govinda Baroy.
What is your mother's name?
My mother's name is Deepali Baroy.
Deepali. What is your brother's name?
My brother's name is Ajay Baroy.
What is your sister's name?
My sister's name is Arsana Baroy.
What is your headmaster's name?
My headmaster name is Mr. Gajendranath Sarkar.
What is your science teacher's name?
My science teacher name is Bipul Mili.
Mr. Bipul Mili.
Mr. Bipul Mili.